Well, you can't beat this morning. It's a really kick-ass situation. JJ came by this morning and plowed. I guess I gotta run the snowblower for a while. State came by and dumped some snow. There you go, here's my neighbor doing his thing on his four-wheel. Oh my God. There's the top of the post and there's the snowbank. Jeez. Problem one this morning, the snowblower wouldn't start. I couldn't keep it running. It ran for about 3 minutes and then it died. So I had to remove the carburetor. Right there, gone. Had to take it out. It's inside. Right over here. Got it disassembled it and clean it up. Let's see what's going on. So I just got in from shoveling snow, and guess what? Came off the roof and crashed up behind my window here. It's almost touching the roof. See? That's how high it is. Snow accumulation somewhere in the vicinity of 2 feet, maybe 30 inches in some spots. But there's a lot.